The 5 times sit to stand test is a timed evaluation, and you will be asked to move as quickly as you can each time you do it over the course of the study. If at any time you feel unsafe, stop immediately and inform your study team member, even if it's before you have reached the final sit. You will begin with your arms folded across your chest and your back against the chair. When the study team member rings the bell, you will begin and stand up and sit down 5 times as quickly as you can. Please stand up straight between each repetition and simply sit, but do not attempt to touch the back of the chair with your back during each repetition. The test will end when you sit down in the chair for the last time. The study team member will verbally count up to 5 to help you keep track. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.